Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Infiniti G35 cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and clear out everything inside. Next, look to the right side and unclip the small dampener arm. This arm controls the glove box's slow opening. Finally, gently press inward on both sides of the glove box to release its lower hinges. This allows the glove box to swing down completely, giving you access. Once the glove box is down, you will see the cabin air filter housing directly behind it. It's a rectangular plastic cover. There are usually two small clips, one on each side, that hold this cover in place. Gently unclip these two retaining tabs. After releasing the clips, carefully pull the cover straight out towards you. It should slide off without much resistance, revealing the old filter. Before removing the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow direction arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for proper function. Gently slide the old, dirty filter straight out of the housing. Dispose of it responsibly. Now, take your new cabin air filter and ensure the airflow arrow points in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle. Carefully slide the new filter into the housing until it's fully seated. With the new filter in place, slide the housing cover back on and ensure the two clips snap securely into position. Next, align the glove box hinges and push it back into place until it clicks. Don't forget to reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Finally, close the glove box and give it a quick test. You should now enjoy cleaner air in your Infiniti G35. Check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.